Flex joints in plumbing can be a major red flag when you're expecting a solid, leak-proof job. So here's the deal. If you've got flex fittings everywhere, especially with gear clamps on drain lines, that's usually not the best way to do things. For starters, flex joints are great for some spots where pipes need a bit of wiggle room, but overusing them in places like toilet and tub drains is just asking for trouble down the line. Ideally, pipes should be glued or properly coupled to avoid leaks. When you hire a plumber, they should bring the right materials like couplings and glue to get the job done right first time. If it takes over a week instead of a few days, and you see random flex fittings holding everything together, it's fair to question their skills or the quality of work. Also, scrap copper piling up and long waits at the yard can slow things down but shouldn't be an excuse for patchwork plumbing. If an inspector gave this the thumbs up, that's pretty wild because standard codes typically don't allow so many flex fittings on drain lines. In your case, it sounds like someone either rushed or didn't know better, which means you might want to get a second opinion or even call a pro to fix those joints properly before leaks start again. One of the biggest mistakes with plumbing repairs is overusing flex joints instead of proper glued couplings or fittings. This increases leak risks and shortens pipe life, so fix it by replacing those with solid glued joints. Another common issue is underestimating how long quality plumbing takes. Rushing the job usually means shortcuts and subpar work, so always expect realistic timelines from pros and ask for detailed plans. Lastly, hiring someone without checking references or licensing often leads to sloppy jobs like yours. Always verify credentials and read reviews to avoid this headache and get trusted contractors. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful because it connects homeowners with reliable local contractors who know their stuff, so you don't end up with questionable plumbing jobs. It also helps contractors find steady work by matching them with people who really need skilled pros, making sure everyone wins.